It's not focusing at all.
Isn't it?
No? There you go. Okay.
Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys!
Got your camera back.
I have my camera back. Kinuha niya kanina. So I wasn't able to vlog today. This morning. But yeah, I'm back. We will go to Kathy's house. Yung girl na na-meet ko last time, yung na-feature ko sa vlog ko, we'll go to their house kasi birthday ng asawa niya and invite niya kami. So we will go there. Thank you, Kathy. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-prepare ng dinner. Yeah, excited na ako kasi magluluto daw siya ng pansit. And ang tagal ko na hindi nakakain ng pansit. Hintayin ko lang si Dan. Pupunta kami sa liquor store. Bibili kami ng wine para dalhin namin sa bahay niya. And on my lips pala, I have the True Lips lip liner. This is in the shade number 51. So that's what I have on my lips right now. Kanina ko pa yung nilagay eh. And dyan pa rin siya. So that's good. Bongga tong camera na to. Kitang-kita nyo yung mga dots na mukha ko. Ang dami kong hyperpigmentation. But that's okay. Akala ko maghihintay lang ako ng 5 minutes. Akala ko magbibihis lang. Diyos ko Lord, naligo. Grabe tong taong to. Naliligo mga 2-3 beses sa isang araw. Ako nga isang beses lang ako naliligo sa isang araw. Grabe. Naliligo siya before siya pumunta ng trabaho. Tapos, pagdating niya sa bahay, naliligo siya. Tapos, minsan, di ba, tumatakbo siya. So, after niya tumakbo, naliligo. We're going to the shops first, and then we'll go to Cats. Yep. People are asking, do I wear seatbelt? I do. I just do it like this because it will choke me if I do it like this because I'm really short. So I do it like, I kind of do it like that. Are you allowed to? No? That's not safe? So it's safe when it's choking me like that? I don't like it. See, it's like, it's on the way. I do my seatbelts like that all the time. It will still protect me.
Not properly.
It still will.
Not now, why not?
This guy.
I mean, it's up to you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, it's just been designed for a reason. That's alright. If it didn't need this, I'll just have one going across here and that's it. I wouldn't worry about this.
Well, at the back, it's done like that. And just at the bottom like this. The back seat. What's the difference?
Middle one?
Yeah, the middle one. So what's the difference?
It's tighter. It doesn't adjust. It's just one size. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. It doesn't matter. You die, you die.
Yeah. We're going to Kohl's, and then later on we will go to Liquorland. We'll just get chocolates. You can never go wrong with chocolates. Kath did mention that he likes chocolates though, so we're back here.
Oh, what a bummer.
There's mini blocks. You like those? Or here?
Sorry?
This.
That was a good deal.
Oh, how much was
It's
it?
been opened. What's the other one that came up?
Oh, that? Okay.
So this is the one that doesn't go out. I think when you blow it, it like just kind of goes back on.
Oh yeah, meet Neil, everybody. Kathy's here. We're at their house. It's his birthday.
Happy
Yay.
3, go.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wish first. What's your wish?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yay.
Hey.
Oh.
It's a trick one.
Do it again. Do it again.
Yeah.
And
And
wait for it. Oh, maybe I blew it up too much. There we go.
oh my goodness.
What's wrong with that candle? Thanks for inviting us.
Of course.
You know, can I cut
Oh, you cut it.
It's his birthday. Dami. Nandito kami sa setup ni Neil, yung asawa ni Kath. Grabe, you guys. Look at this. May mga ganito mic to. Yeah, microphone. Grabe yung setup niya. You should check his channel out kung ano kayo sa mga gaming. O, diba? Bongga, social lang. Hindi ko maintindihan kasi itong mga
Hindi ko siya
ganito.
maintindihan, actually. Kasi pag nagpi-film siya, so, ito, towards ata sa kanya, tapos ito.
Mic din yan?
Dalawang mic. Dalawang microphone.
Ay, grabe.
Ano to eh, blue.
So, meron talaga siyang room na dedicated sa kanyang YouTube. O, diba? Bongga. Ako sa sala lang ako. Kaupo lang sa floor. Ganda. Ganda ng ano mo, shoes.
Oh, thank you! Alam mo kasi.
Sarap ng pansit niya. Nagluto siya ng pansit.
Meron na.
May baon pa akong pansit. You guys will see that later.
Kaya lang yung ano ko. Ang kalat, diba?
Okay lang yan. Alo, ang dami mong makeup! Oh my gosh! Na-shock naman ako dun.
May bibigay pala ako sa'yo, ano. Pumili ka lang ng nail polish. Then,
Sure ka?
oh, ayun. Pili ka.
Tingnan to. Itong babaeng to, mahilig din sa nail polish. Ang daming nail polish, oh. There.
Tapos, ito yung makeup.
Dami niyang makeup collection, Kathy. Oh, diba? Ay, ang ganda ng mirror mo.
Yeah.
Meron akong parating na mirror. Parang bibigyan nila ako ng ano. Parang, meron din siyang light. Pero parang lamp siya na mirror lang. Basta ipakita ko sa iyo yung picture. Maganda. Ay, ang ganda nito.
Yeah, it's from IKEA.
Ah, okay. Mura lang, diba?
Oo. $1 lang ata. Ayan mo.
Ay, talaga?
Dami
Nice.
kong
Ang ganda.
brushes. Kaya lang ang kalat. Marami ako dito and doon.
Ay,
Choose.
pipiliin niya ako ng nail polish.
Pili, dali. Go.
Kahit ano na lang. Ano ba yung hindi mo ginagamit? Hindi mo ginagamit.
Kahit ano.
Kahit ano.
Kahit anong kulay. Ito.
Yung hindi mo masyadong favorite.
It's too
I
bright.
took a photo. Wait, focus. Look at these. So
Yeah, it's
cute.
too bright.
That's fine. Neil's face. Look at Neil's face. He cut himself off. He took the photo.
That's his mom.
Oh. So I'm gonna try this. Oh my gosh. So it's an Australian beer? It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Okay. I don't know, just feel like it. More!
Jesus.
No, I'm gonna...
Just syringe.
I'm just gonna try it. Oh my gosh, look
Just
what
try it.
Kathy wants me to do.
You gotta drink it all, babe.
Wow, who are you worried about?
No.
Does it taste like
Oh, yeah, it's fine.
San Miguel?
Good.
Not really.
Red Horse?
No, that's way stronger. Well, as if I know what I'm talking about. I'll finish this. We're home! Pinadala ako ni Kathy ng pansit. Sarap ng pansit, grabe. Thank you ulit guys for inviting us. My vlog is already up nga pala. Mga 11 minutes ago kasi 9:11 na ngayon. So yeah, this is going to be my lunch tomorrow. Thank you again, Kathy. Hihingin ko sa kanya yung recipe kasi bumili ako ng pancit bihon sa Manila Trading, diba? No, not Manila Trading. Asian Grocery. And yeah, di ko alam lutuin. Sabi niya bigyan niya daw sa akin yung recipe. So yes. She also gave me this. Hindi pa niya nagamit. So sabi niya bigay ko niya lang daw sa akin. Nabili niya to sa Priceline nung nag 40% off yung Priceline. And yeah, this is the Maybelline Volume Express Pumped Up Colossal. And then she also gave me this. Mahilig din kasi siya sa nail polish. And yeah, it's the SC Focus Cashmere Matte. This is in the shade, I don't even know. Wanna say thank you?
Thanks, Kath and you. Delete that.
I'm not deleting it.
Delete it.
Did you like the pancit?
Oh, good.
Bongga yung quality ng video. Parang pwede na dito ako mag-film ng YouTube video because of this lighting. Nakakaloka. Anyway, I will just go ahead and wash my face. Sobrang babait ng dalawang yan. At then, thank you so much guys for inviting us. Sobrang bait yung dalawa. I think I'm drunk.
You're not drunk.
I am.
You're not drunk.
Dang, I only had what? Technically a glass of beer. I'm having a little bit of headache though. That's for sure. I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk. I had so much fun. Thank you, guys. Good morning, guys! Today is Wednesday. Wait, nanonood ako ng video ni Will at saka ni Michelle D. I'm having my coffee. Ito yung Nescafe 3-in-1. And then I have my Skyflakes. And lalagyan ko ng whipped cream ang aking coffee. Sinuot ko yung jumper ni Dan kasi sobrang lamig pagising ko. And you guys, let me show you. I cut my finger. I cut my finger today when I was getting rid of the ball of the avocado ball. Nasagi ko yung kamay ko, nakat ko tuloy kasi I was preparing lunch for him and yeah, that happened. Oh well. So let's put whipped cream on here. Can you even see that? Oh yeah, you can see that. Dang, loving this camera. I'm just gonna have my breakfast while watching YouTube, and yes, oh, later I will paint my nails as well. Hi guys! Tapos ko lang maligo, hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko kasi wala lang, hindi ko lang siya binasa. So it looks like a mess. Oh, my camera is dying. Lobat na siya. Marami sa inyo nagsabi na you should get spare battery kasi madali siya maglobat. To be honest with you guys, I don't feel like I need to right now kasi pang 2 araw niya to ay ngayon lang siya nag-show na low battery siya. So, I feel like okay pa naman. If I really feel the need to, then I will. But then again, for now, okay pa naman siya. I'm just gonna put on some makeup kasi mamaya pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. This is my lunch for today. Yummers! Ito yung binigay ni Kathy kahapon. Thank you again, Kathy. My gosh, I'm starving, Marvin. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Look at my nails! I just finished painting my nails. I used the SC, yung Cozy in Cashmere. Ito yung binigay sa akin ni Kathy kahapon. Thanks, Kath. Ano siya? Matte. Nakikita nyo yan? Medyo dry yung kamay ko. Sobrang ganda. Ito din yung piname ko sa toes ko. I really like it. Matte siya. Thank you, Kath. Ang ganda. I will be filming an unboxing, I believe. I'm not sure though. Anong oras na ba? Okay, it's 3. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna film that before dumating si Dan. Darating na si Dan in 45 minutes daw. So, kailangan ko magmadali para makafilm ako ng video before siya dumating. I'm just gonna put on... Ano ba? Ano ba ilalagay ko? Ito na lang. Rimmel Show Off Lip Lacquer. This is in the shade Nova. Bakit? Ang dilim. Uy, ang yellow over. So, ganito itsura ng lipstick. Usually, kinikis ko yung tissue para hindi siya ganun ka-glossy. So, I would just do that. I just finished filming the video, you guys. So, I did the unboxing video. And, yes. So, look at the lipstick. That's what I meant. Like, ganyan yung... Wow, parang ganda ng lighting dito, ah. Parang maganda yung lighting kapag may parang ganito. Ewan ko ba, kapag puti yung lighting, hindi yellow, you know what I mean? Mas maganda yung kuha niya. Siguro maya-maya darating na yun. Parang dumating na nga. May narinig ako. Lagi akong may naririnig dito sa bahay na to, nakakaloka. Babe! Wale. Mali ako. Hi guys! Pupunta kami sa grocery. Tapos pupunta sa bahay ng mama niya. Wait. It's been raining. It's so cold. We need coffee. So I think this is his coffee. Is this your coffee, babe? This is what we have. Sorry? What did you say?
Got coffee over there. Java.
Oh, coffee? Okay. Let's go. We're going to the Asian grocery again. This is a different one though. But yeah, we're just gonna check if they have the Silver Swan soy sauce.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Hi.
Are you filming tomorrow, babe?
Not sure really. I do not know what to film. We're home! I'm gonna show you guys what we got before kami pumunta sa mama niya kasi diba pumunta kami sa grocery. And yeah, so first we have coffee. Ito yung coffee niya. And then popcorn. Yummers. Ito yung from Johnny's Popcorn Delights. As you guys can see, hindi kami as in sobrang nag-grocery shopping ng isahan. So, we go siguro mga 3 times, twice a week. Depende. And then we went to the Asian store and I got the Silver Swan na soy sauce para sa aking beans, and then sa ano din, sa pancit. And then this one is on special. It's the Pringles Extra Fiery Sweet Grill. I think it's half price, so yeah. And then I have CC's dalawa. Nagamitin ko to for our dinner one night. I will show you guys how I do that. I actually have showed you guys the meal, pero hindi ko napakita kung paano ko siya ginawa, but it's, yeah, something. I'm not sure when we will have that though. Siguro mga Friday or bukas siguro, we'll see. And then we got eggs. Eggs were on special, so we decided to get that. May ako na ilagayan. And then, oh, my pasta is here. Ang social pa nang nilagyan, no? Yung mama niya yung nagpack nito. Eh, thank you! Yummers! Yan yung lunch ko bukas. Oh, we got chocolates. Yung best friend ng mama niya pumunta sa bahay ng mama niya kanina, and she makes homemade chocolates which are yum. I mean, I'm not really a big fan of chocolates, but I tried the Tim Tams one and it's really good. He's in the shower right now as usual. Lagi na lang nasa shower. And then I got Twisties as well. Actually, si Dan kumuha nito kasi yung mama niya laging nilalabas yung mga chips kapag uwian na, just for people to, you know, get some and take it home. And then bills. Meron siyang mga bills na pinapa-deliver sa bahay ng mama niya. And then we got cheddar cheese as well. It is for that meal with the chips. Basta guys, you will see how I will make that. And then the taco seasoning, I will need that for that ingredient as well. And then I got 1 avocado para sa lunch niya bukas. Healthy lunch. And then carrots for my beans. And then we got lettuce as well for the taco meal na gagawin ko. And then sour cream. And then we got tomato, a big tomato, onion, and then what else? Oh, ground beef. And then lastly, chicken. Ilalagay ko siya sa green beans, tapos kapag nagpansit ako, ilalagay ko din siya sa pansit. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge. Oh, by the way, you guys, si Kathy, yung minit ko kahapon, was it kahapon? No, the other day, pumunta kami sa bahay nila, diba? Gumawa na siya ng sarili niyang channel, ililive ko below, kasi pupunta sila sa Gold Coast bukas. And yeah, if you're interested to see vlogs ng Pinay dito sa Australia, I will leave her links below. Katapos ko lang i-wash ang aking face, I'm gonna put on a mask. Pipili ako kung saan dito yung gusto ko. Meron ditong loofah and aloe vera. Ito yung from Mask Maven. Nahol ko to yung sa April na Mask Maven. Dalawang mask pa lang yung nagamit ko out of 9. Kasi, yeah, I received 9. Nagamit ko na yung isa nito, yung Yada na green. Tapos, yung from Skin Food din na pork strawberry ata. Ganito, pero strawberry, nagamit ko na din. Mas gusto ko yung Skin Food. Maganda din naman yung Yada, pero mas nagustuhan ko yung Skin Food. So now I'm gonna try Slow Organic. So it's a slow plus raw plus organic. So that means slow organic. And tingnan ko lang kung ano to siya. This one is whitening. And then the grape one is for wrinkles. So I'm gonna go with this. Why not? Lalagay ko lang siya sa aking mukha. And yes, I'm squinting because I don't have my contacts on nor my glasses on. And everything is just so blurry. May mga nagtatanong pala kung fake yung, I mean kung ano lang, parang fashion lang yung eyeglasses ko. No, hindi ako makakita lang maayos talaga kapag walang eyeglass. So yeah, merong grade yung mata ko. I'm vlogging, babe. I'm responding to your guys' comments. You guys seem to like the thrift haul, the ukay haul. Let's convince this guy to take me to more ukay. We've only been to 2 Savers and that's it. And they have way more than that here.
Okay.
Yeah, you have Goodwill, right? And then Salvation Army. Do you have that?
There's only 2 Savers stores.
Okay, so there's 2 Savers and we've been to 2?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that's 3. There's one at London.
There's 3?
Well, that's far, so I'm not going there. I've never been there.
Okay, that's fine. There's 3 Savers, but we're not going to one because it's far.
Too far.
But have you been to Salvation Army? Well, you haven't been to any thrift stores, huh? It was because of me. I really like this mask. It smells so good. Smell it, babe. Smell my face. I'm just gonna let this mask sit on my face for I don't even know. For as long as I want, really. That's what I do. I don't follow instructions when it comes to things like this. I'm gonna close my vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. This guy, we're gonna do my boyfriend does my makeup soon. Let's do it.
No.
Let's make a deal. If this video reach, how many likes do you want?
1,000.
1,000 likes?
1,000.
So if this video reach 1,000 likes, we will do the my boyfriend does my makeup. Because how many likes do I usually get? Like less than 500. So you guys, so like this video. If we reach 1,000, we will do the my boyfriend does my makeup tag. And this is on the vlog, so you should do it, babe. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, you heard that right. He will do it. Okay, I'm gonna close my vlog. Good night, guys. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Good night. Be good. Bye.